Is there a difference when renting a home from our professional property management company? We're confident there is, and our tenants agree. They love our online conveniences and responsive customer service. Our tenant-friendly website allows you to schedule a property showing, apply to rent, pay your rent, and even submit maintenance requests, all online. Check out this available property.
This property is located at the address on your screen. We are AHI Properties, a leader in Hoover property management. This house in Hoover, Alabama features 4 bedrooms and plenty of space for you to enjoy. Upon entering, you come into an impressive open floor plan that combines the formal living and dining areas. The formal living room features towering cathedral ceilings, a ceiling fan, and a lovely fireplace. The formal dining room comes with an ornate chandelier and elegant wainscoting. The kitchen boasts double sinks, tons of cabinet storage, plenty of countertop space, and major appliances. It flows into the breakfast nook, as well as the family room with vaulted ceilings and a cozy fireplace. The master bedroom is on the main floor and comes with plush carpeting, tray ceilings, and a ceiling fan. The master ensuite bath hosts dual vanities, a separate shower, a jetted tub, and 2 walk-in closets. The loft area upstairs could be used as a study or a sitting room. All the upstairs bedrooms come with carpet flooring, generous closet space, and windows that keep them bright and airy. If you are interested in this Hoover, Alabama rental property or want to know what other rentals are available in the area, contact us today. We are ready to help you find your next home.
You can book a showing time online or call us now. We answer calls days, evenings, and weekends. Rent a home from us and discover the difference today.